Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome to this new video, Primero Trader. We're gonna test out the new tools that we have here. So we're gonna run a quick AI scan that will give us a few pointers, and I'm already looking at this one for a potential move if it breaks that 100% there. We'll test it out, see if it works. And we're waiting for our analysis. Okay, the breakout, let's take it. Let's see if it goes to $3. That's the potential target. So right here it's giving me a few options: PGY, CLSK, FM, FM, and farm. So I was looking for farm, and it's giving me conservative 310, 354 potential. The target. So let's see if we can hit that 310 target. Um, and this is the new tool, so it's basically gonna give you some targets. It's already doing analysis and projections, so it's gonna give you targets and supports to have as a point of reference. So it's telling me the conservative target will be 310, and let's see if it gets to 310. Right here, come on, buddy boy. Even there, I mean, I could take that profit, but let's see if it gets to 310. I'm also looking at the daily chart, and I do see why it's saying 310. So it's doing the analysis. This is crazy. I do see why it's saying 310, but we're training our AI to do projections, and that's very that's very interesting. That's very cool. So you can hear in my voice. I'm very excited about this. So let's see if it gave me other options, right? But I'm focusing on this one because it's the one that I was already looking at. But there's other potential trades that I could have taken. We're just testing this one. I mean, if it's giving me that target, then that's a good pullback to add, I'm assuming. So let's see. And it's also keeping us within the block here, the 25 or the 75% block. So we're still in a good area. It's telling me 245 support, 223, and this is up. I mean, if I run it again, it will give me a different point of reference for the support, um, because of the new price. So you also want to keep that in mind, right? That this is live. So I'm basing my analysis on this first scan that I did here. Okay, it's pulling back. And once again, if it's giving me that target, then this might be a good area to add to the trade, right? And it gave me several. And the volatility scanner, it's giving me farm. It's not giving me any of the other ones, so that makes me feel that I'm on the right track. Um, there's multiple confirmations: the volatility scanner and the AI. Um, so let's see. Okay, so what was support? 245. It's going to that first support. TNXP is the other one that's pulling up. Let's see if it gave me a TNXP. TNXP right here. Target 1899. Conservative 1705, and it's already at 1464. So it gave us that when it was 1321. So TNXP is another one that might be a good. So let's multitask here. Multitask TNXP. So it's giving me 17. So let's see if it gives me 17. So this is the other one that has pulled up here, 1705. And we're basically using the volatility scanner, the projections here, AI. There's multiple tools that that you could use here. That's the entire point of Primero Trader. It's holding that 245 support that was telling us that was gonna be support. That's interesting. TNXP support 1415, 1318. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, guys. It's taking its time. Welcome to trading. So this one, the volume kind of died off. Just waiting there. 5 minutes. 1 minute. It's just there. Okay. Come on, buddy boy. So I'm still trading here. I'm basing here, but I don't like the breakout and the pullback under the previous high. So that's not good. Let's see if it where it closes, but I don't like that. Oof. Okay. What are you gonna do with 245? 245, 245, 244. You promised me 310. This one was what? 1705. Still holding 245, even though it went down 245. I don't like this breakouts and pullbacks under the previous high. So we can start. So according to AI, right around there, that's the first target. And according to AI, around here, I'm up for 310. Okay, around there, that's the target for that one. You're seeing it live, guys. You saw it. It's doing the work for you. I mean, me as a trader, I would have taken the profit here when I was saying it's breaking the previous high and it's pulling back. For me, that's a sign to get out. But AI is more intelligent than me. I mean, I can admit that. So I have no ego there. So, you know, I'm willing to admit it. I would have taken the profit before. I want to look at the daily thing. Yeah, I can see why it's saying that. Yeah, yeah. I can definitely see why. The same way I can see here why it's saying 310. This is holding 245 really well, so that's also amazing. So I guess as a trader, now that you have those point of references, you have the volatility scanner as a backup of confirmation. It will give you peace of mind, right? When you're trading. Obviously, this one's pulling back again, but what was the other support? 223. Oh, but 223, it will be tough to hold. Uh, I mean, not tough. It will be right there. even with that, I can probably manage myself to get it with a good profit here if it pulls here. But we'll see. We'll see. This was moving perfectly, and it came up here on the volatility scanner. I have a hard time with that. I guess that's another challenge that you have to as a trader, because you're trading. I mean, it's not a machine, it's not a robot. You have to decide which one. I guess that's one of the, because it will give you several options here. So we'll go check the other targets that I gave once we're done. But that's another difficult challenge. Waking up, running your AI scan, giving you targets, and then you just have to decide. This one looks good. And how do you do that? You complement it with this scan right here, with the volatility scanner. So once you have that as a point of reference, okay, which one is showing up here as a confirmation? That's a good tool, but again, giving you those point of reference, it kind of gives you peace of mind. I have in myself, if I didn't have this target right here, I would have taken already profits. I would have done scalping or taking profits, but I'm just waiting. I'm letting it do what AI does, right? Oof. I want to take profit so bad. It got really close, man. It got really close. Maybe that was the pop. Uh, let's see if it give us another opportunity. And that's one thing that we talk about in Primero Trader. You always want to take profits before the resistance, because if it's giving you a target, then obviously there's resistance there. That's why it's giving you that target. um, but you know let's see, give me another pop. Come on, buddy boy. This one's just stuck there. And the volume is dying down. I went too aggressive on this one, I think. I still have some hope for this one because the 5 minute time frame, that 9 moving average is moving there. But we'll see. Come on, is that my pop? I'm gonna take a little profit there. I don't like that pullback. No, I'm out. So it's almost there. It's almost there, but I'm getting impatient. AI, you were almost 100%. And it's gonna pop right now. It's gonna pop right now. And I'm just gonna look like a loser. Yeah, come on, AI, don't do that to me. No way. Oh shoot! I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna retire after. Oh my! I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. I mean, what we have been able to accomplish. That's great. That's amazing. Let's see if this one does the move, but um, that just made my day. We've been working really hard on the AI and building it and creating the algorithms, and it's been a challenging road, guys, but it's there. I mean, there's still a couple things that we need to do that we're working on, but that's interesting. It's very interesting. I got no issue looking like a loser right now. That's interesting, guys. Okay, I think this one's done. No, I'm done with that one. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna run it again and see if I can find another one. So I mean, we can go and look at these ones. So let's see. It gave us PGY, and remember, we run this basically at the market open, so a lot of things have happened, right? So he gave the conservative target 1339, 1285, guys, 1285. I mean, he gave it at 1261. So, oh, I'm on a 5 minute. Okay, so let's be fair. So you give it. We run it here, but if we would have run it here, it would have given us the same target. So it was 3 minutes. 3 minutes late. But CLSK, 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 CLSK. Conservative 1320. 1243. 1219. You would have needed a little bit more of trading on your own, but CLSK, those didn't come up on the volatility scanner. So why would have you trade that kind of option if it's not on the volatility scanner? By the way, FMCC, Agris 713. Oof. This one, there's not a lot of volume here, so I think it's this one's halted. Yeah, this one's halted. Didn't come up on the volatility scanner. Iran. Okay, Iran. 1282. 1261. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Which one is this? Lee? Lee Auto? Okay, so this one 2743. Yeah, this one's kind of far. Not a lot of volume on this one. But we still have time, right? We still have the entire day. Wolf. It said 570. 559, guys, almost. So we're seeing the same pattern where it pops and it's pulling back. So that's a pattern that we're seeing on the stock market right now. So TNXP, we all know what happened there. Farm, we all know what happened there. SWI, that's not SWI. Okay, SWI, conservative 1999, and it's still moving. It's still moving. It's far, but it's still moving. It's moving that direction. So there's potential here. It's not a lot of volume. It's not popping up on the volatility scanner. So do you really want to get there now? You still, again, what I said during the video is you still have to do the work, right? And do your analysis, understand what's good to trade, what's not good to trade, and stuff like that. But at least you have point of references. 339, 331, guys, 331, almost 339. So right here it gives you a breakdown, a more in-depth analysis. I didn't get into this because we were already at market open, but if you run this before the market opens, you have time to analyze and understand and kind of decide which one is the best option. It gives you news, everything catalytic news or any information, you will get it there. So we ran it again a few minutes ago, and it's giving me CDT. So it's giving me CDT. I'm gonna use this. So CDT 396. It's at 278. This one might be a good trade for later in the day. I mean, not right now, or maybe start building a position right now. Maybe surf. We saw surf a couple times here in the volatility scanner. It made a good move, but no, now it's pulling back. So I think it's more where's the support? 1772. So 1772 might be a good pop or a good bounce if you get in there. CLSK, we seen CLSK, and those are the ones that are showing up right now as potential. So if we go look at the scanner here, it gave this one, and surf as options. The float and the other ones are really high. So TNXP, after going through that, it's pulling back now. I'm still stuck on. I'm still thinking. Where was that? It was farm. It was farm. Oh, we've been inundated with TXPs. So yeah, farm just went out. That was the point, the target. So you saw that I was positive in that one. So you still have to do your job, right? Take profits when you have to take. I know I was joking about TNXP and it did the pop after me taking profits, and that sucks. But I needed to take that profit after this pullback that got me worried. But after that, it popped, and that's trading, right? I mean, whoever says that they buy the low and sell the high exactly perfectly, they're trying to make you buy something. So here, I mean, it's giving you point of references. Very interesting. We're giving the information to the algo, and it's doing its job, and you still have to come in and do your job, and do your work. And if you heard, to give you some point of reference, DeepSeek tried to do this. They tried to build a AI model that will be better than their algorithms to trade, and it's really hard. It's really there's a lot of math involved. There's a lot of details that you have to work with. So it's gonna continue to evolve. It's gonna continue to grow. It's gonna continue to be better, because that's the nature of AI. But we still got one. And again, we were able to confirm with several tools. I mean, not just the AI. AI gave us a point of reference. 10XP and the volatility scanner popped up multiple times, and letting us know, hey, you're in the right place. You're in the right place. Something's gonna happen here. It has been a tough market. So to be very honest, in a different market, probably farm would have done the move. But we are in a tough market right now, especially for small caps. There's not a lot of volume in small caps right now because of what's going on overall. There's a lot of volume on large cap, and there's a lot of indecision of what's going to happen next. So usually when that happens, the volume on small caps goes away, because if you're not willing to bet on the big players, Obviously you're not gonna bet on high risk volatility options, right? So in a different market, probably this one would have done the move. And maybe if we would have run the scan before the market opens, I was in a meeting, I was finishing up a meeting, we probably would have taken advantage of the pop from the beginning, but we were a little bit late, 3 minutes late. So that's also the importance of being on time and be ready to do your job. We were 3 minutes late, so that's another thing. But we're there, guys. That's the whole point of Primero Trader, giving you the best tools to be able to profit on the market. So even though that happened, I'm still positive, and if I continue trading with the help of AI and all the tools that I have in front of me, I will probably increase my profit. So not to brag, I'm not a bragger. No, no. I'm just letting you know the facts. I'm just playing. Remember on that first video that I made, my jokes are really bad in Spanish, and trust me, they don't get better in English, especially with the accent. So enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.